Breaking news update now, and it's a game changer in the race for governor. Voters will need a photo ID when they go to the polls in November, and that means as many as 300,000 people need to find an ID if they want to vote. Steve Shamraz joins us now with reaction and what this means for you. Steve?
Mike, Democrats say many of those 300,000 voters without an ID usually vote for their party, so this decision is a major blow, while Republicans say this is a victory for honest elections.
After an hour of arguments in a Chicago courtroom, it all came down to one sentence. The 7th Circuit Court of Appeals ruled Wisconsin may enforce the photo ID requirement in this November's elections.
I think what we should have is a process in the state where it's easy to vote and hard to cheat.
Governor Scott Walker applauded the court ruling, saying it would bring integrity to the vote. Democrats fear it could also inject an element of chaos.
You're looking at changes to absentee vote ballots on short notice. You're looking at training of personnel.
Mary Burke points out absentee ballots have already been mailed, and changing the rules 6 weeks from the vote is just not fair.
I don't think that the clerks are going to be able to get it into effect without the type of organization and changes that are going to jeopardize our voting.
The governor is confident any kinks, as he called them, are easily fixed.
So I don't believe that there'll be a problem at the local level.
The ACLU argued against voter ID in court today. In a statement, they call moving ahead with this an irresponsible decision, saying it is unclear whether or how they will work in time to ensure that eligible voters are actually able to vote.
And that is the challenge now, making sure eligible voters are not disenfranchised when they go to the polls. This law needs to be explained and worked out with 72 county clerks and those 300,000 voters or so who do not have IDs. Mike and Carol.
Okay, thank you very much, Steve.